Why are you being so bashful? Come here, Porky. Porky, come here. I moved your dish. Mama got your dish. Come here.
You're getting a visitor over here.
Oh, great. And it has to be the one that's the hardest to move out of here. Oh, you're so gentle with your food, aren't you? Such a good boy. Is that good? You want some from Mommy? Well, you're not exactly dainty, but you're getting the job done, aren't you?
I think we're losing our battery.
Yeah. I don't know if you can even see him, but
Yeah, I got a little bit.
you big lug. You need to get you the heck out of here. That would be pretty interesting. Whoops, me out of there. With us much longer. Hey, Budgie. Come here. Now look, Turley, this isn't your party. No, you don't. That's the piggy's food. For Turley. Let's get you one piece and get you out of here. She's like, give me my polo. Come here, Turley. Turley. No, you're not going in your house. It's not your house. Come on.
Good food. Good food. Just need a carrot on a stick. That's all we needed. Carrot on a stick for Turley. Yum. Come on, Turley.
Mommy's out here flooding the yard. Here, Turley. Turley. Hey, Turley, come over here. Come on out of your pen. That's not your pen. It's your pen now. Come on. Turley.
Okay, should I go ahead and just hit the button again?
Yeah, whatever you do. Come on, Turley. Come on out here.